What if you could build an app with AI connected to real backend, deploy it, monitor how it performs, and then keep improving it all from one ecosystem? That is where Firebase comes in. Firebase is a platform from Google designed to help developers and AI agents build, run, and scale modern applications. It provides tools for everything from hosting and databases to AI integration, monitoring, authentication, and automation. So in this video, we're going to take a look at Firebase, explore the main parts of the platform, and then test it with a simple project so we can see how everything works together. The first step is opening Firebase and going to the Firebase console. Once we are inside, Firebase gives us access to different services available for building and running applications. For this example, we will create a simple AI customer feedback app. The idea is straightforward. Users can submit feedback about a product, the application stores the information, and then an AI can help analyze or summarize the feedback. Our test projects have a simple interface with a text box where someone writes. The app is easy to use, but the checkout process is confusing and takes too many steps. The application would then store the feedback and use the AI-powered feature to help summarize or categorize it. This gives us a simple way to test several Firebase capabilities instead of just looking around the dashboard. Once the project is ready, we can connect our application to Firebase and begin adding the services we need. For our example, we don't need every Firebase product. We'll focus on a few that make sense for this type of application. We could use Firebase AI Logic for generative AI functionality, a Firebase data service for storing application information, and app hosting for getting the application online. Next, we can test what happens when multiple users submit a feedback. Our application can store those entries and then use them as part of the application's data. Once the basic application is working, we can move on to testing the experience itself. But launching the app isn't the end. Firebase also provides tools for running and monitoring applications. For example, Crashlytics can help developers understand crashes and problems affecting their application. Remote configuration can be used to change certain application behavior without requiring users to immediately download a new version. And then app distribution can help teams distribute builds for testing. This gives a workflow that continues after the initial development stage. Firebase is also built around Google's generative AI ecosystem. The platform provides ways to integrate generative AI into applications using Firebase AI Logic and Google AI technology. This means we could take our simple feedback application further. Instead of only summarizing individual comments, we could build a dashboard that analyzes hundreds of feedback entries and identifies recurring issues. For example, if hundreds of users mentioned that checkout is confusing, the application could surface that as one of the most common problems. And that starts turning a simple feedback form into a useful AI-powered product tool. So overall, Firebase is much more than a single development tool. It's an ecosystem that is designed to support the complete application lifecycle, from building and integrating AI to deploying, monitoring, and improving the final product. For our test project, we used a simple AI customer feedback application to demonstrate the basic idea. We started with an application, connected it to Firebase services. We tested AI functionality, stored information, checked different user inputs, and then looked at how the application could eventually be deployed and monitored. The biggest advantage is that Firebase brings many of these pieces together while being backed by Google Cloud infrastructure. So that'll be all for today's video. Make sure you subscribe, and thank you for watching AI Community, and I'll see you in the next one.